this is the look of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Hey guys, get ready with me. I already washed my face. My 24 karat collagen soap for face and body. You guys know the drill. 24 karat collagen serum. This is my face cream. It's 24 karat gold collagen with retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. This is literally super hydrating. If you guys have dry skin, this is the product for you. I started YouTube with long black hair down to my ass. And then during the pandemic or before the pandemic, I was like, oh my God, I want to go like platinum blonde. And I did, and it looked really pretty, but it just started kind of getting really, really dry. And then I changed it to like orange, and then I kept changing the hair color back and forth. So I damaged shit out of my hair. I had to cut it. And then not only that I had to cut it, but it was like not like a cute bob or anything. My hair was like to here. So my hair has grown like this much, literally. I sell this if you guys need to thicken your hair, make your hair shiny, thick, and make it grow. It's 100% biotin. You just put it in your hand and you massage it into your scalp, and also put it all over your hair because it has vitamin B7. Again, everything's vegan. Like, look how thick my hair is, you guys. It's insane. Like, this looks like a helmet. I could never have short hair because my hair is so thick, so now it's just going back to how it usually is. This is its natural state, super thick, coarse, poofy. A little bit of concealer on. Garnier Skincare Skin Active Facial Mist. This is rose water. I love it.
So that way we can get the skin more moist.
Be careful what you wish for. I used to want to have like short hair. I'm like, I want to be cute like that. I don't like short hair on me. I am going to put down eyelashes today. Vegan, organic, handmade from Silk, Wet n Wild contour stick in maple. Maple 805. I'm gonna be fancy today and go in with Chanel. This is in the shade of Beige Rose 22.
Use like a high-end product versus like a dumb product.
So I'm gonna go in with Cotton Candy right here, the pink one, like right here. Okay, so the eyelashes are down. Now these eyelashes are a little dramatic, but still, you know, the eyeshadow looks really good. I brought it down a little bit. Just took the same pink Cotton Candy and I just like brought it down a little bit. It's a little like editorial looking right now, you know. Bitch, we're looking cute. I'm gonna go in with my own brand, EllieArket Cosmetics. Let's do Charmed. These are my vegan brushes that I'm sold out and I'm too lazy to order because my focus is on my coaching. For summer, I like to put everything like right here, and then push it up. Brushes are really amazing and I'm sold out, so I do need to talk to the manufacturer and see. They were really, really expensive for me to make because they're all vegan, super soft, and it's just like super pretty, and it's like this rose gold and my name on it. Yeah, bitch, that's how I got it. Put the blush right here. Then I'm gonna go in with Soulmate and I'm gonna put that on my nose and just push it up. Sometimes I feel like I have more control with my fingers with like eyeshadow or doing like the highlighter, because sometimes kind of weird with the highlighter, like I just want like a little bit, and then sometimes I just want a lot, so it depends like on my mood. But right now I feel like I just want like a little bit because I feel like the eyes are very editorial looking and I don't want to make it like summery glowy, right? So just like a dab. And that's it. Everything's vegan, organic, like I said, EllieArket.com. For lips, I'm gonna use two products. This one is my lip gloss. I've named this Chant. It's a clear gloss, but it has a pink hue to it, and it plumps up your lips, and it's amazing. Highly, highly recommend. Once you use it and you get it, you don't want to use anything else. This is Chant. And then I'm gonna go in with my Velour liquid lipstick. This is waterproof. Velour liquid lipstick is vegan, organic. I use these for eyeliner, eyeshadows, blush, lipstick. Like, I could have totally done this look with my lipstick. I've named this shade Ellie actually because this is my favorite shade. It's like a Barbie pink with like glitter in it. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter. Let's see. Now that I have Chant down, because I don't want it to be like too intense, I just add Ellie over it, and then I'm gonna use my fingers to like distribute. I want to get like a glittery lip gloss, and that's it. Now I'm gonna just distribute it. I think this is so pretty, and I can, if I want, put a little bit on my cheeks and then just like buff it out. Some brush.
Okay, so this is the look of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
I think I'm gonna wear my chunky earrings. And I'm gonna wear my $1,000 watch that I bought for my mom, and she's like, I don't like it, it's too small, I can't see. And I'm like, no worries, I'll wear it myself. So I think this is really pretty. We're gonna do some rings. The gold ring and the watch. Like today's look, I'm gonna need Coco Chanel. This is the look of the day. Thank you so much for getting ready with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.